everyone, in this quick tip, I'll show you what to do when your chatbot can't answer a question and how to create and edit a response so it's ready to answer that question next time. Let's start by logging into a merchant's account. From the letter navigation, you're going to select conversation history from underneath chatbot builder menu. Here you can filter by the specific chatbot that you're working on. You'll want to filter by has missing answers to return those responses, then hit search. This will pull up all the instances where your chatbot couldn't respond with the exact questions that need your attention in context of the interaction as a whole. So you'd click on one of the missing answers. Here it will show you in context of the interaction what questions need answering. So you want to click on create answer. It's always best to name your FAQ appropriately because FAQ number 2 isn't helpful if you ever have to track it down and edit it. So I probably should rename this one address or something like that. You'll notice that the question is automatically populated with the question from the original conversation. Then you'll want to go in and apply the correct answer. Click save. And then to find these later, go to Manage Chatbots in the chatbot menu. Select your chatbot, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see your saved responses under Data Source. Of course, I didn't rename it, so it's still FAQ number 2. If I hover over Preview, it will show me what the question was and how I answered it. But if I ever needed to edit that, I could just edit from this menu. And then, as always, you'll want to click Save and reindex and preview your chatbot to test it. And there it is. Your chatbot now knows how to answer that question perfectly. You can set up email notifications to advise when a chatbot has been unable to answer a question. You can do that by opening notification settings from the chatbot builder menu, and you'll want to select your frequency at which you wish to be notified, and then select whichever of your users you wish to receive the alerts. Hope this helps. See you next time for more quick tips on getting the most out of Chatbot Builder.